Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the cryopreservation of stem cells. Stem cells have been used to clinical setting for many years. Hematopoietic stem cells have been used for treatment of blood, both hematologically and the non-hematologically disease, while more recently mesenchymal stem cells derived from the bone marrow have been subjected to the both laboratory and the early study, which says the cells have been multi-potency and the expansion of potential. Nonetheless, if there is a stable cell line in the culture, while likely to the limit of the breed, their application is the field of regenerative medicines. Human embryonic stem cells are pluripotent, capable of the forming stable cells, and the specific significance in the both regenerative medicine and the toxicology induces pluripotent cells may be also provide a similar breadth of utility without some of the confounding ethical issues surrounding the embryonic stem cell and the essential prerequisite to the commercial and the clinical application of the stem cells are suitable for a cryopreservation for the long-term storage. The effective method of the cryopreservation and the shortage storage have been developed from the hematopoietic and the mesenchymal stem cells. Embryonic cells and the cells have been proved more refractory. In the preservation of stem cell is a critical for the both research and the clinical application for the stem cell based therapies. Preservation permits development of the cell bank with different major histocompatibility complexes, genotypes, and the genetically modified clones. As collection of the stem cells for source such as a umbilical cords, blood can be difficult to predict or control. The ability to preserve cells permits the banking of the stem cell until later used to research lab and a clinical application. This ability to preserve cells permits to the completion of the quality and the safety testing before use as a well of the transportation of the cell between the site of the collection processing of the cell, clinical administration, finally the ability to preserve cell used to the therapeutically facilitate and the development of the manufacturing stem cell based therapies and the development of the cryopreservation is the general type of required specification like pre-freeze processing, introduction of cryopreservation solution, freezing protocol, storage of the condition, thawing condition, and the post-thaw assessment. Hematopoietic stem cells is the generally it can be easily to and the we can save hematopoietic stem we can save in a banking for the further use for the clinical application for the hematopoietic stem cells, mesenchymal cells, and the human embryonic stem cells. For the there is no universal method for the preserving stem cells. The inability to the simple transfer protocol for the hematopoietic stem cell is the preservation of the MSC and the difficulty to effective preserving the hematopoietic embryonic stem cells using the developed from the biological system. Effective method of the cell preservation do not involve DMSO must be developed in the approved the human infusion and it is associated with the adverse effect upon infusion and the epigenetic effect of the cells. So we have to most develop understanding the molecular mechanism and the damages. Existing method of the cell preservation are based on the scientific principle which must be derived from the development of the modification and the each element which is showing the introduction of the preservation, freezing, storage must be important for the saving of the hematopoietic stem cells. So this is all about the hematopoietic stem cells. If you have any query, write down in comment box. Thank you.